Hello guys, it is I, Zaipka, and welcome to 5 Types of Expert Programmers. I want to thank you all before starting off. My channel has been growing vastly and it's all thanks to you guys. Honestly, I really appreciate it. Thanks again. Let's get to the video. Number 1 is the ancient user. Some people say you need a new age GPU and CPU to program. Some say you need an average PC. But some people don't limit themselves with such arbitrary limitations and can run programs on anything. These users are usually on some very old ThinkPad and running something like Arch Linux. Hello, guys, and welcome to episode 1782 of How to Make a NASA Rocket. Today, we will be making the landing mechanisms. Number 2 is the elder programmer. Some start with Python, some with Java, some even with C. Some actual chads start with languages like BASIC. But some people, I mean, just watch. Time to write Hello World in this programming language. Yeah, that looks good. Number 3 is the YouTuber with 500 years of knowledge. Do you ever have a problem that you can solve in programming, only to Google that problem and find a very obscure and unknown channel that has the solution to all of your problems? This is that person. Hello guys, today I will show you how to literally find anyone's address using Python. First we have to import random, then we have to import. Number 4 is the YouTuber with 500 billion subscribers. I mean, do you ever just scroll through YouTube and see some guy who's an ex-millionaire and an ex-FANG employee? I mean, like, these guys are the experts of the industry. I mean, just watch. Hello guys, it is I, Tech Maniac, and today I will show you how to write code like we do in the big companies. As you know, I'm an ex-trillionaire from a FANG company, and yeah, this is how I write Hello World as an ex-billionaire, ex-trillionaire, ex-quadrillionaire. Yeah, guys, so you first of all open your IDE, and then you write print, and then you add Hello World. Yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed it. I know you starters can't do stuff like this. Number 5 is that one guy. Googling a problem usually leads to Stack Overflow, and there usually lies your answer. Some problems, however, cannot be solved in such ways. Sometimes the answer lies in a guy's blog, sometimes in a YouTube video, sometimes even in a book. Sometimes, though, only sometimes, it's on some obscure page that has tons of HTML encoding errors that looks like it was made in 2002 by some guy using Adobe Dreamweaver, and it has all the solutions except the one you need. And you try to contact the guy, only to learn that this mail is his old one. And after days and days of research, you find out his new email and contact him, only to find out he died in some boating accident in 2011 under mysterious circumstances because he knew too much. Yeah, this is the guy. Thanks for watching this video. If you liked this video, please leave it a like. If you have ideas or suggestions, leave them in the comments below. If you want to ask me something directly or chat with other programmers, join my Discord. Thank you for watching, and yeah, Zaipka out.